Una búsqueda de tesoros, a scavenger hunt. So you'll look for the items on this list outside, and you can either check them off as you go with this checklist, or you can take pictures of them as you go. And you even might have to make some of them. Aiden and I took pictures as we did this. I'm going to go ahead and read through the list so you know how to pronounce them. Un hombre de nieve, a snowman. Un ángel de nieve, a snow angel. Un trineo, a sled. Mucha nieve en un árbol, a lot of snow on a tree. Un animal en la nieve, an animal in the snow. Una bola de nieve, a snowball. Las huellas de una persona en la nieve, tracks from a person in the snow. Las huellas de un animal en la nieve, tracks from an animal in the snow. Un copo de nieve, a snowflake. Un témpano, an icicle. Un diseño en la nieve, a pattern in the snow or a design. Tu nombre en la nieve, your name in the snow.